HerbzAutoCare, a brother on the scene, reviving every engine, making everything green. Underneath the open sky, in every town I roam, HerbzAutoCare keeps the wheels rolling home, fixing dreams and engines with a gentle hand. In Dallas and beyond, I'm the traveling man. HerbzAutoCare.
What's going on? In this episode, we are servicing a GLC43 AMG. It's going to be getting the front brakes and a multi-point inspection on it. The brakes, it's actually a pretty straightforward procedure on these. These have the AMG calipers, so the piston or the brakes actually just pull right out. You don't have to remove the caliper. Just make sure the car is lifted properly from the right part of the car. And these are 17mm bolts. Have to push these pins out and clean them, and then to remove the bracket, it may be a 8mm. But let's get to it. And to get to these brakes, just remove this right here. Once you get the clips out, you just push those pins back through. So you're gonna have to get cleaned. All right, we're gonna clean all this up. These are the old pads and the new pads. Got some good ceramic ones. All right, that's how it should look. I'm gonna put this tire on, and I'm gonna pump the brakes. All right, and on this side, same procedure. You're gonna need the 8mm wrench to get this out so you can make room for the brake pad when you're pulling it out. All right, and just like that, got a fresh set of brakes. Got that brake light off too.